What I'm finding the impact of AI on learning for new developers, especially in the development, QA, designing. I have family members and the friends, even in my current team, people who use the cursor or the AI tools for development. They are really struggling, really struggling to understand what is exactly happening behind the scene. Yes, AI is making really code faster, but are you learning? I'm sure if you have tried the Copilot, ChatGPT, Claude, Cursor, VS Code, any such tools to write code quickly. But the reality is, if the really problem happens, people really struggle to figure out what is happening, how it's happening, and what went wrong. I guess relying on this AI solution can definitely improve the productivity, but at the same time, understanding the core programming concepts, which are really crucial for debugging and optimizing the code, are really important. I wanted to share something interesting on speed versus the knowledge gained. Who doesn't know the Stack Overflow if you are into the development? Even experienced developers are talking about the topic, the questions, when you are reading through, skimming through the different set of the solutions and the answer. To me, I think even personally, I was learning a lot versus doing or using the Cursor or Claude or ChatGPT. It really gets streamed down to one particular solution, and you tend to believe that this is the most optimized version. So it says that think about every great developer, they get that good by copying solution, which is true. I don't think so. And if you're really learning coding as the fresher, even mid-level experience who doesn't understand much technology, you definitely need to double down on the solution it provides, the approaches it takes, and try to really understand what is happening. And if you are using any AI tools, if you have come across any things, how did you overcome? How can I share your experience with others? That would be fantastic for others to know. But even in my family and friends, and even in my team, I really recommend to either write a good prompt. What are you trying to find? How are you trying to do? And again, double down on how you receive this response. Just do not blindly create the code base just due to productivity and the speed. It doesn't work. It works for the first MVP, first scratch project, but trust me, that is not the reality.